Yeah, you still hungry?
Definitely. I was like, yo, this set a token.
This set a token.
I come here to eat.
And I hope he's a ham man, you know.
Oh, ham.
Tell me.
Love ham, so let me get going.
I spice it up.
Yeah, I know.
I not played with my Macfoods ham. I not played with my Macfoods ham.
I think I have 2 that's in my deep fridge.
You do. So
Christmas is going to be amazing.
I really, this is one of my favorite times of the year because of this guy here. I don't make joke with my Macfoods ham. I love a sweet and tangy type of glaze. So all I did on this was a mustard, some brown sugar, a little bit of orange juice. Bring it together.
Yeah. You know, I didn't hear anything you just say.
You did? I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to them. Right?
Yo, this looking good.
So yeah, so a little nice drizzle of all that goodness. Yeah, that glaze, a little nice goodness. And
cut it up.
Yeah, I'm slicing it up. But what I'm going to do really, so Christmas morning, people have their hams different ways. I'm here.
Yeah. Christmas morning is the morning.
People have ham different ways, right? What I love to do on Christmas, outside of having some slices of ham, I love eggs. So I was doing breakfast, and I love cheesy ham egg omelette. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm about to do. So all I'm doing, yeah, I'm gonna get into this guy here. And
I showed him all of this.
Yeah, he did.
I called him. I was like, you need to do it.
So
that knife sharp, boy.
Yeah, so I don't make joke with.
Oh, that ham very soft.
Could be a combination of both. Combination of both. So you see that there? Just for you.
Yo, I was hoping I see I doubt this man going and cut up this whole ham. I can't even say, taste it at least. Alright.
So I'm gonna do that for you. But these slices here.
That's for the.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put this aside. And all I really want to do with these slices here is put a nice little rough chop.
I thought all you know is sports, man.
No, yeah. I still know a little thing, but you know. Quick chop on it,
yes, sir.
Junior. Do you cook at all? Would you try an omelette? No. So many people are intimidated.
It wouldn't come out like this. But
it wouldn't. No, you don't know how it will come out because sometimes you can mess up an omelette, and you shouldn't feel bad.
Joel, if this don't come out good, you didn't hear last of it. That's so we know.
When you have good Macfoods farm on a Christmas morning and you have that lovely scent in the kitchen, you slice up your ham. I just love eggs. Ham and eggs
go together.
Is a marriage.
Yeah, it's like mac and cheese.
It's a perfect marriage.
Mac and cheese.
You again.
I don't go and get no bookings. That's the jokes he make. That's the big joke.
The comedian make that joke. Yeah. So, a little butter. I like to start with a little butter.
I like frying my eggs in butter as well.
So we're on the same page. So while that's happening, I'm gonna work my eggs. So I have 3 eggs. I like 3 egg omelets. This is a 3 egg omelet with 3
different cheese. Wow.
Cheddar, mozzarella. And I have a little
sambana.
No, I never hear about that cheese.
Neither me. I say I hope this is something.
There's Gouda.
Oh, Gouda cheese.
Take a little thing. It's a little Gouda. I've never heard about sambana. Where you get sambana cheese from?
Gouda.
It's Gouda. Just Gouda. Right? Salt. So eggs, a little salt. So
growing up, I used mine chickens.
You used to mine chickens? So let me tell you a quick story.
Henry, Jacob, and they all used to lay eggs. And
This is a serious story. Or this a joke?
No. Definitely a serious story.
Salt, pepper, and a little bit of green seasonings.
Right, yes, it's a flavor.
A little bit of good Trini, good Caribbean green seasonings.
Straight from the backyard. I brought that from Ruga actually.
Yeah.
Give it a nice little mix.
You didn't use the mine chickens, is it true?
Nah, I used to mine goats. I had 3 goats.
Okay.
Maggie, Peggy, and Ram. That real. And then one morning I woke up and they were being transported to a van Because they were sold and I was very sad.
I'm going with my eggs in, right?
Yeah,
butter melted nicely. And my eggs go in.
You have a time on it? Or it's just going the spurts?
The spirits. The
Okay.
spirits guide me.
Okay.
But what you have to do now though, everybody have their way of doing their omelets. This is my simple, easy, no mistakes. Pray that it comes out good.
I really hope so. Yeah.
I like now once you're seeing that ring starting to form around the edges.
The halo.
The halo.
Yeah, that is what I call it, the halo.
The halo according to you start kind of just shifting and allowing
Let it
the layers, right? So you want all those layers to kind of get under there.
Because I'm a height and already.
No, so feel free to come wrong,
Okay, let me
come wrong and see. So all you want to do is I want to just kind of get all those layers there.
and kind of even it out.
Even it out. That's kind of what I want to do.
Yes.
Just when it's about setting like this,
You shake
want
it
to
up
do
and
that.
you give it a flip. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, give
we
it
did
a
it. We did it.
I thought it was going to fall.
I was praying just as hard as you did.
That's right. Alright. Try it again one more time.
No. No.
One more time, let's see the viewers.
So what I do now is very, very simple. I want to get a layer of cheese. So I want to just a very, very
The cheddar.
thin layer of cheese here.
Put some mustard on it.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll
And
do
some
that.
Gouda.
Some Gouda. And then I want
Two.
I'll just take this and
The
kind of
Macfood ham. Most
get that
important.
Macfoods ham there.
Most important.
Yeah. And guess what?
Is leave these, the remainder?
Yeah, this is me though. You get your slice.
Okay,
already,
let's make
right?
sure.
That's for me. You don't mind. I want to go to another layer of quick cheese. Just another layer of quick cheese.
Remember, I like it cheesy.
I
So.
like it cheesy. I like it hammy.
Yes.
3 cheeses.
Alright, let me sit down. So
Sit back down.
Yeah, you
Sit
can-
back down.
It'll be easy to just eat it now.
And I just really want to fold this boy up. Right? Yeah. My 3 cheese, ham filled omelette. A lovely piece of avocado at the side. Thank you folks at Macfoods for making this one possible. All this on Christmas morning. Junior League guy now.
So, yes. Let's make it sure you're ready.
All is yours.
Okay.
Dig in, brother.
Look at this. Ooh. It's like aloo pie with all the aloo, you know?
Aloo pie with ham?
Yeah, ham pie.
Macfoods aloo pie?
Yeah, Macfoods aloo
brother.
pie. Let me see.
Brother.
Right, if it don't taste good, I know the ham tasting good already. So, we good with the Macfood ham. As if the Alright, Joel. You win today. You win today. You win.
Another Christmas breakfast recipe done and dusted. We're coming back much more. One more, a brunchy kind of recipe still to come.
Yeah, it's a brunchy kind of.
Come on back.
Yeah. Guys, wake up late. I like brunch.
I see her and I want her. I got to